Acharya Shankaracharya in Updesh Shastri 17, 13, 14, 15, Asad etat tato yuktam, Sachin matra na kalpitam, Vedas chapi so evadyo, Vedyam so anyatu kalpitam. It is reasonable that this universe is unreal. Existence knowledge only is real, which is existing prior to everything. It is both the knower and the none. Other than existence or knowledge, that is name, form and action, are unreal. Yen व्यक्ति स्ववेद स्यात् स्वप्ने सर्वतो माया येन पश्यत् चक्षुः शृणोति श्रोत्रम् उच्यते येन स्वप्न गतो भक्ति सा व्याग घ्राण तथैव च रसन स्पर्शने चैव मनश्च अन्य तद इंद्रियम्. Objects none by the self are nothing but the self in dreams, which appears due to maya, that is ignorance. In dreams, the self sees in the form of eyes, hears in the form of ears, speaks in the form of organ of speech. Same is the case for smelling, tasting, touching, thinking and other faculties. Vedantic Upanishad 4.3.10 says, न तत् रथान रथ योगा न पंथानो भवन्ति अथ रथान रथ योगान पथ सृजते न तत्र आनंदा मुद प्रमुदो भवन्ति आनंदान मुद प्रमुद सृजते. In dreams there are no chariots nor animal to be yoked to them, nor roads there, but the self creates the chariots, animals and roads. There are no pleasures, joys or delight there, but he creates the pleasures, joys and delights. Hence the self itself was chariots, animals, roads, pleasures, joys and delights, etc. Mandukya Karika 2.12 says, Kalpati Atmana Atmanam Atma Devasva Maya So Eve Buddhate Vedan Iti Vedanta Nishchaya. The self, through the power of his Maya, imagines in himself, by himself, all the objects he experiences within or without. He alone is the cognizer of objects so created. This is the conclusion of Vedanta. Here the knower, the action of knowing and the knowledge, all are the self itself, as also shown in Vedantic Mantra 4.3.10. Hence, knowledge and knower, seer and seen, individual and the universe are not different. As in the dream state, so also in the waking state. Verse 16 says, Kalpopadivir evaitad भिन्नम ज्ञानम अनेकधा अधिभेदात यथा भेदो मनेर एकस्य जायते. Just as the same jewel assumes different colors owing to its proximity to different objects, the consciousness assumes different forms on account of various adjuncts which are superimposed on it, resulting into the knower, none and the instrument of knowledge appearing differently. Verse 17-18 says, Jagrastas तथा भेदो ज्ञानस्यास्य विकल्पितः बुद्धिस्थं व्याकरोति अर्थं भ्रांत्या तृष्णोद भवक्रियः. Similarly, in the waking state, different forms are superimposed on this consciousness. Objects in the mind are projected by actions born out of desires due to ignorance. स्वप्ने तद्वत् प्रबोधेयो वही शांतस् तथैव च आलेख्य अध्ययने यद्वत् अन्योन्य अध्ययोद्भवम्. In both dream state and waking state, idea of inside and outside, like reading what is written, are mutually interdependent, born out of the mind. Mandukya Karika 2.9.10 says, Swapne vrittau api tu antaschet sa kalpitam tu asat bahishseto gritam swadrishtam vaithatyam etiyo. Jagrit vrittau api tu antaschet sa kalpitam tu asat bahishseto gritam sadyuktam vaithatyam etiyo. In a dream, what is imagined within by the mind is illusory, and what is cognized outside by the mind appears to be real, but in reality, both these are none as false. Similarly, in the waking state also, what is imagined within by the mind is illusory, and what is experienced outside by the mind appears to be real, but in fact, both should be rationally held to be unreal.